So now you have seen the power of entering with the entry confirmation and the entry condition. If you follow all your rules, if you follow the conditions and all the patterns you learn, then you are not guessing in trading. You are not gambling. Then you are taking your trade according to your rules. And if then your stop loss is hit, there is nothing to worry about because that happens in trading. But as you have seen how this pattern works accurately, we had a double bottom trade, then we had a break of neckline trade, then we had a retest of this neckline, and then we had a push up from this neckline as predicted in my last video. And I've also shown you the double bottom entries, the way double bottom entries work. If you have missed that video, trust me, that video will explains a lot about entering the market with conditions and confirmation. So that was an awesome trade, and as you can see, the market hit our resistance area. So now what to expect from here? As you can see, market is pushing down from our level of resistance. So let me quickly show you what I've said in my last video so that we can take it from there. What do we have? Market pushed up, came back down, engulfing candle. So this is the entry number 3, which is currently a valid entry. That would be your entry. And now the stop loss can be below this double bottom area. Or if you want to have a better risk to reward, keep your stop loss below the neckline. You can go 1.4 to 1 risk to reward ratio, and then you can manage your position till the next resistance. Awesome. Target has been hit easily. I know that must be a stressful red candle, but that is just one candle for me on 4-hour time frame. We had our stop loss below the neckline. It's always good to have stop loss below the bottom as well, but this is also good to have a good risk to reward ratio. But anyway, our target has been hit. As you can see, the market is now pushing down from here. We do not have any sort of condition now, no buying condition. If you're still in a buy trade, that is what you call agreed. I personally exit my trade and look for another condition, which will be a break and close above 50 EMA with two green candle close above that. Then I want to see a pullback to take another trade. This is what you call a pullback entry, which you learn in the priority group as well. So look for that entry reason. Once we have a break, we will look for further confirmation. Or if we have a push down, we can expect a push down to 20 EMA, which is at 8.168. Then if we are broken below that, then we can expect a push down to the previous level of support again. So keep an eye here. No entry condition, buying only above 50 EMA. Or once we are again in this area, I will look for another buying reason. So at this point, we might see some push down from here. Here on currency.com, similar condition, market hit our target, and then if we have a bearish engulfing candle, a next bearish engulfing candle, that will be a sell signal. And if that happens, we can expect market to come back in this previous level of support where we will exit our trade to look for another buying confirmation. Now I want to look for a buying confirmation above 50 EMA with two green candle closed. Look for a pullback to take another long trade, which I will update you as usual. But if we have a bearish engulfer here, then we can expect some push down back to this zone, and then we might see a double bottom pattern as explained in my last video if we have that move. So keep an eye here on the charts. Any confusions, you can always buzz me on Instagram. Let's check gold. Okay, gold has now broken above the level of support. At this point, we can expect a push up to 1741.28, goes up to 1746.92. Now I will not enter straight away as we are broken above 50 EMA. We had made a new high. I want to see few candles pull back with a bullish engulfing candle to take long trade. As you know, I always enter with an entry condition. Yes, it can push up straight away, but I do not do that. I have my strict rules. Once I see a reason to enter, I only enter the trade. I'm just telling you, market can push up from here. We can expect some bullish moves out of gold. Let's check crude oil. Crude oil is now in the area. I will only buy once we have a complete broke above this previous candle, which is 89.23. Once we have break above, then I want to see a few candles pull back, then engulfing candle to take further long trade. At this point, it is in the decision zone, and I want to look for a confirmation, either a buy to take long, or if we have a push down from here, then sell again, because this is the previous level of support that has now turned resistance. So that is why we are not completely broken above this level of resistance to call it a level of support. So look for a confirmation. We might see a push up and double top entry, and market can fall again from here. So make sure you wait until market completely breaks and close above this previous candle. So that's all for commodity market, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green this week as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.